new phone, factory reset, broken screen, and suddenly half your contacts are gone. If you've ever lost your phone numbers after switching devices, you're definitely not alone. So today I'll show you how to sync contacts across devices on Android so your contacts follow you automatically, whether you get a new phone, tablet, or you sign in to another device. So I'll demo on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, but I also cover other Android phones. Why this matters? Quick scenario. So imagine your phone gets lost today. You buy another phone tomorrow. You sign in and all your contacts instantly reappear. No manual typing, no panic testing, asking people for numbers again. That's the power of contacts syncing. Let's get to it. So on Samsung Galaxy phones, you go to your settings. You go to settings and you tap accounts and backup. Accounts and backup here. There. And you go to manage accounts. Manage accounts. And you select, you open your Google account. Let's use this for example. Let's use this one. You open that and you choose your Google account, right? Then you tap sync. You see where it says sync accounts? Sync. You tap that and you make sure to select. You can sync every other thing, but we're dealing with contacts today. So you tap that. You make sure this is selected, highlighted right there. Okay, and you turn it on like that. So now your phone can sync contacts to your Google account automatically. So here is the mistake that many people make. Their contacts are being saved to the phone, not to Google. So syncing doesn't fully work if you're saving your contacts to the phone and not to Google. Okay, so to fix that, open the contacts app just by typing this that you use to call when you're gonna make a call. The contacts, tap this to open your contacts, like that, right? Okay, now tap the menu, like open the contacts like this, and then go back. You tap these three dots here. See the three dots up here? Or you can tap your profile picture, right? You can tap depending on the setup on your phone, you can tap your profile. But on Galaxy phones, this is how it is. You tap the three dots up here and then you select view storage location. You select this, view storage location. When you do that, or you might say default storage location, or look for default storage location or save contacts to, and then make sure to choose your Google accounts. So you choose your Google accounts or whatever, right? So that way new contacts sync automatically moving forward and not just saving to your phone. Okay, so now how to get the contacts on another phone. Now let's say you get a new Android phone. That's the easy part. You when you're setting up the phone, make sure to sign into the same Google account, the one that you save the contacts to here. Make sure to sign into the same Google account. Now give it a minute and your synced contacts should appear automatically. No cables, no SIM card swapping, no exporting files. Everything automatically come to the new phone. All right. Okay, but if you have another Android phone that's not Samsung, the steps are usually very similar. You just go to your settings on the phone and you go to the account, or you see password and accounts. Then you go to Google accounts and you tap account sync. and you turn on contacts. Okay, on some brands, the menu, the menu wording may vary slightly, but the idea is still the same. Google accounts plus contact sync on. Okay, now here is the bonus tip. Do you want extra protection? There's actually an app, Google Contacts app. You can download this app, Google Contacts. So this is the app, Google Contacts. You check to make sure, open that and check to make sure, check that all your contacts are appearing there. Okay, so if you can see them inside Google Contacts, that's a good sign that your sync is working. All right, so that's it. This simple setting can save you hours of stress when switching phones, resetting devices, or recovering from a lost phone. So now just comment your phone model if you want the exact steps for your device, and follow for more Android tutorials that actually solve real problems.